Hey guys, my name's Jamin. Thank you for visiting my YouTube channel where I try to bring you a wide variety of do-it-yourself computer upgrade and repair videos. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Windows 10 onto a Toshiba computer. In order to install Windows 10 on my computer, I have this Windows 10 Install Media USB, which I created for myself for free on Microsoft website. If you want to see how you can create this, check out this video link here. It'll walk you through that process. If you don't want to create it or you can't create it because you don't have a USB or you don't have another computer to do it on, you may have to purchase it. If you need to purchase it, check out my Amazon store link here. It'll help you out, showing you which item you need to buy. Be careful not to buy recovery media. You need install media, and you cannot install Windows with recovery media. Before we get started, guys, a quick shout out to my sponsor who makes a lot of my videos possible, NiceHash. NiceHash is the world's largest hash power marketplace. They're also a one-stop shop for all things crypto. If you're curious about the world of crypto or you have questions on Bitcoin, a great way to have these answered is to start mining. And with NiceHash, you don't need any hardware to mine. You can mine right from their site by buying various length mining packages, 1 hour, 3, 4, however long you want. You can buy these packages, mine for a certain amount of time, and try hitting a block. You can also team up with others online to make your package more powerful and increase your chances. I'll fill you in more about them at the end of the video, or you can click this link to get more information. Now let's get into the project. Turn your computer off and I'll show you how to install Windows 10. So now that my computer is off, I've plugged in my Windows 10 Install Media USB. I'm going to hit the power button and start immediately tapping on F2. A lot of Toshibas, it will also be F12. If neither one of those work, try your other function keys, as some models may use different ones. After getting into BIOS, keep in mind that not all BIOS systems will look exactly alike. Yours may not, but you should still be able to find the same options that I'm going to show you. Also, as you can see, I have the use of my mouse. You should too, hopefully. If you do not have the use of your mouse in BIOS, try your arrow keys or your tab keys. And if you can't find any way to navigate in BIOS, try using an external USB mouse. But I'm going to go down here on my left to the Advanced tab. And this is what I want, change boot order. That's the option you're looking for. You may have to search around BIOS for it. Try your other tabs if you can't find it, but that's what we're looking for, the boot order option. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. This takes me to my boot priority options. This is the order in which the computer will try to pull an operating system to boot off of. As you can see, the hard drive is listed to first, which is normal and healthy because that's usually where your operating system is stored. But for now, I want my USB options on top. So I'm going to move these up. Now I'm going to hit OK. And I'm going to hit save and exit. And then I'm going to confirm. And hopefully now, as my computer continues to boot up, it'll access the USB and it'll boot off of that, engaging the install media. This is the first screen we're looking for when the install media is accessed and the install process starts. Keep in mind, as I take you through these steps, the options I'm choosing may not be the options you want to choose based on your preference or your location, but I'm going to take you through these steps as best I can to show you what you can expect. So I'm going to leave these the way they are. I'm going to hit next, and then I'm going to click on install now. I'm going to accept the terms and conditions here. Hit next. And this is your first set of options here. The first option says upgrade, install Windows, and keep files, settings, and apps. If you're looking to just do a clean install, but you want to keep all your data, this is what you would choose. The second option down bottom, custom install Windows only advanced. This is where you're deleting everything and starting from scratch with the new operating system. So this is the first set of options that you're going to do. This computer here is being refurbed for resale, so I don't need to keep any data. In fact, I prefer not to. I'm going to go ahead and click this bottom option. Here I see a list of partitions, which again, I'm deleting all the data. So I'm going to click on each partition one at a time and delete it until all I'm left with is unallocated space. Now I'm left with unallocated space as my only option, and if you look at the total size, it's roughly the size of my hard drive, so I know I'm good. This is where I want to install the operating system. So now I'll click on next. This may take a while. Please make sure your computer is plugged in through this process. If your computer is not plugged in and loses power and turns off during an install, most likely that will ruin the install process. It'll corrupt the operating system. You'll have to start all over again. As you can see there, sometimes during the install process, your computer will have to restart. Don't be alarmed. It could happen several times. Okay, so here are some more options we're going to choose and we're going to work through. I'm going to hit yes to this. Is this the right keyboard layout? I'll hit yes. Do I want to add a second layout? No, I'm going to skip this. Connecting to a network. Here's where you have to make a choice. Oftentimes when you connect to a Wi-Fi network here, it'll force you to log in or create a Microsoft account. If you have that and you don't mind that, then go for it. However, if you don't want to create one or you don't want to be forced into making one, then you may want to choose this option down bottom, I don't have internet, which is what I want to do. Because again, this computer is for resale. I don't want to have my Microsoft account connected to the computer. I'll just have to go in later and disconnect it. So to save me a step, I'm just going to select the I don't have internet option on the bottom left. It's going to ask me to confirm and tell me all the things I'm missing without it. I'm going to confirm down here, continue with limited setup, meaning again, I don't want to sign on to internet. I want the install process to complete without internet. Who's going to use this PC? I'm just going to call it Toshiba. And when asked to make a password, I'm just going to go next. Again, you guys would be entering options that you prefer here. And then privacy settings. I don't like giving people data that they're not paying for. I don't like giving people data about me in general because I'm weird. So I'm just going to go ahead and shut all of these off. Again, you can do what you want to do, but I like shutting all of those off. I'm going to hit accept. This is asking to give Cortana access to more things. I'm going to do not now. And the install process is almost done. Okay, now we're at our desktop, Windows 10. This is a successful install. After installing Windows 10, good job, but keep in mind, this is a brand new version of Windows 10. You're gonna have a lot of operating system updates and driver updates and security updates, a lot of updates to make sure your computer runs smooth and fast. Check out the video link here. It'll be a video walking you through how to get all those updates processed and run right away, all at once, so that you don't have to have them running in the background for the next few days, slowing down your computer. And now, as promised, before I let you go, a few extra words on my sponsor, NiceHash. As mentioned in the first part of the video, guys, NiceHash is the world's largest hash power marketplace. What that means is not only can you hook up your own mining rig to their system, not only can you hook up your computer to their system and rent out your unused space to other miners, but you can also mine yourself on their website. Through their easy mining software, you don't need any hardware. You would buy mining packages from 1 hour to 2 hours, 4 hours, whatever you're in the mood for, and you would try to hit a block with those packages. To make your packages more powerful and increase your chances of hitting a block, you can group up with others online and all be in a same effort on the same package. It's a great way to mine. It's a great way to start dabbling in the world of crypto. And again, they're a one-stop shop for everything you need, from wallets to exchanges for other cryptocurrencies to research tools. It's a great thing to know in the world of crypto. You can check them out here or leave me a message or comment. I'll try to help you out. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I look forward to seeing you on my next video.